Is Python's bool sorting defined? Is the ordering of true and false well defined in Python, or is it left as an implementation detail? From the console, I'm seeing false sort before true, but I don't know if that's a behavior I should rely on or not. I'm sure there's some Python doc about this, but I can't find it.
This URL. Booleans, these represent the truth values false and true. The two objects representing the values false and true are the only Boolean objects. The Boolean type is a subtype of plain integers, and Boolean values behave like the values 0 and 1, respectively, in almost all contexts, the exception being that when converted to a string, the strings false or true are returned, respectively. This reads to me that the Python language requires false, true, false equals 0, true equals 1, true not equal to. The same wording is retained in Python 3 as well.
We can show bool is sortable using the Python REPL, with false being the lower value.